Welcome to this very, very special series which we start off today.
And the first time we met was a sporting event. And what a flashback.
We were just guys who wanted to go do stuff. And I remember that 360 degrees and Encompass went and pitched to Mr. Goenka for CIAT Cricket Awards. We had got Priyanka Chopra to come and she did the finale, you remember? That's the time when I think I saw her as a performer the first time. I was like, oh my God, she is going to be, I mean, those are such early days.
We try to make content which is time agnostic. Okay, if you watch it after 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, you should still be able to get entertained, right? Then this idea came of playing 20 questions. So we said T20, 20 questions. Let's play on IPL, so Isolation Premier League, and talk about this aspect of cricketers and sports people that nobody knows, which is that they know their records for the last 10 years, 15 years, 20 years by heart. And I learned this first from Sachin.
When you went out there at a stadium representing India, give us a little bit of that emotion, that feeling when the national anthem played.
I think for every sportsman out there, I think it's a matter of pride itself to wear that India jersey. As I always been telling in all my interviews, when we wear, for me, whenever I wore that India jersey, for me, it's what mattered. The name in front matters the most than the name on the back, because you have tricolor here. So you play for the pride of the country, and later comes the name, But of course, to wear that jersey is the byproduct of all your hard work for all those years.
Year I came to Miss India, and I win, and I do represent my country, but not in sports, but in beauty. So one way or the other, I think my wish came true to represent.
Absolutely.
And
absolutely.
For one month that I was in Miss Universe, I was called India. I wasn't called Simran. My name was not Simran Kaur Mundi. My name was India, because we used to call every contestant by their country name.
And you are the lead of it, right? Where there's the opening ceremony for PKL or ISL. ISL, you did some brilliant opening ceremonies. Give us a little insight of how would you go about with that process?
We were like literally there with our hands and legs dirty and on ground, poking our noses everywhere and trying to get it right. But it was a joint effort for all of us to sort of, make the dream come true. So every time we tried to do something different, and it was a very difficult task because we had to play on the same ground. After in just like 45 minutes later, the game had to start, and so which meant that there were so many restrictions with that game at play, and that was more important than the ceremony by itself, right? But you still wanted the ceremony, and it couldn't be any hogwash of a ceremony. It had to be it had to be of a certain kind.
When you're live on an international stage, an international audience, and you're live, Shaju, and if you do anything wrong,
it's there and then.
It's there, it's done. There's no undoing it.
And I think everyone must go through that process. Enjoy what you have today. Enjoy it. But you'll enjoy it and you'll respect it only when you've been through the process.
And keep your team motivated and make the goal more than just money, right? That's when pride in product will come. And I've always had this line कि अगर आप सरस्वती के पीछे भागोगे तो लक्ष्मी अपने आप आएगी, right?
किसी के भी माँ बाप बोलेंगे 10वीं तक पढ़ाई करो, छोटा मोटा नौकरी करो और घर संभालो. But my parents, I still remember her word. She said, if you really want to play hockey, please make sure that you make it big. I don't want you to waste your time, no coach's time, not our time.
I think it's important for that mindset to change. I wish there is a parent today that says, yaar, kya karna hai tumhe life mein? You want to do anything? Do it, but do it with your full heart. You'll succeed. I think it requires guts for parents to say that. So I don't blame youngsters. It's very important that the mindset of parents change, because then the mindset of the youngster will change.
This thing about wanting to climb a ladder. Because here people today want to jump from a ladder to a ladder. They don't want to climb the same ladder if it's tough.
IPL को 10-12 साल हो गए, आज जाके उनको 1 लाख मिलता है. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि हॉकी इंडिया लीग भी शायद 5 साल 10 साल के बाद एक मैच पे आपको 1-1 लाख रुपए भी मिल सकता है.
And I'm very proud to be middle class in my thought. Know the price of everything, but it's very difficult to know the value of everything.
Media businesses, it's been fairly hard because advertising revenue all but stopped. Commissioning by everybody was doing a wait and watch kind of thing. So there was very, very little money that was there in the market. I've been telling people, and I think it's very important, that this lockdown is not a productivity contest. It is actually a race for survival.
So I believe a lot of students have also kind of worked with you and in your team on projects, right? I believe even ISM, a few students have worked with you.
Yes, in fact, one of the things that we started in Star at that time was that we said that why don't we start getting in interns to sort of come in and experience 3 months of a project and work with us.
Important to do what you really want to do, and I'm so happy that ISM's here, and I'm so happy that there are so many youngsters who are tuning in who would say that, hey, listen, we really want to follow sport management, the sport as a curriculum, and finally we've got someone or something that can help us get there. So I'm really glad that I'm on this in this conversation with you guys.